Hi, my name is Jamie, and we are in week 9 at Permino Tech in backend development. This week, we're supposed to learn how to write a menu-driven application with correct exception handling, implement a scanner to gather user input from the console, learn how to work with big decimal objects, and use JDBC to correctly handle resources, connections, and prepared statements, ensuring that they are closed properly. We're supposed to implement JDBC methods to insert a project object into our project table. So here's my projects app Java file. So in here we have a class that is a menu-driven application that accepts user input from the console. It performs CRUD operations on the project table. This is an entry point for the Java application. This method prints the operations, gets a user selection, and performs a requested operation and repeats until the user requests the application to terminate. This gathers user input for a project row, then calls the project service to create the new row. This gets the user's input from the console and converts it to a big decimal. This creates a big decimal object and sets it to 2 decimal places. This is called when the user wants to exit the application. It prints a message and returns the terminate to terminate the app. This method prints available menu selections. It then gets users' menu selection from the console and converts it into an integer. This prints a prompt on the console and then gets the user's input from the console. It then converts the input to an integer. This prints a prompt to the console and then gets the user's input from the console. If user enters nothing, a code null is returned. Otherwise, the trimmed input is returned. This prints the menu selection. We'll go to project DAO. Now this class uses JDBC to perform CRUD operations in the project table. It inserts a new project row into the project table. The code establishes a connection with the database, prepares and executes SQL, executes the update, retrieves and sets the project ID, commits the transaction, and has exception handling. We'll go to project.java. The projects class is a data structure designed to encapsulate information about a project, including its ID, name, estimated hours, difficulty notes, materials, steps, and categories, and puts all this into a database. Here's our database, and as you can see, we have implemented projects in the database. We have 2 projects. So we're going to take this and show you how we did it. So I ran the program, and this is what I get. These are the available selections. Enter and hit the key. So 1, add a new project. I added a new project called cleaning. Estimated hours are 5. Actual hours are 7. The project difficulty is 3. And the notes are clean the house. It establishes a connection. The program establishes a connection. It shows you everything that's been put in the row, in the projects row. And here we start again, and we're going to show you some exceptions. So on this one, we're going to be putting in ABC rather than 1. And you'll see the error handling. Error handling. ABC is not a valid number. Try again. So here we're going to put in a number that's not available. And 5 is not a valid selection. Try again. So those are our error handling that we did in our database in Java. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.